Hey everyone, Christos here with Better at BI. And I wanted to take a quick moment to talk about grouping data. I'm working on a project in a healthcare setting, and they want me to group all the medications together. And they want me to group it by name. So let's just use something like acetaminophen, right? Aspirin. They want, if you go to the store, you'll see lots of different types of acetaminophen. There's the store brand. There's multiple name brands of it. And so you want to group it all together. Obviously, there's a really good way to do it, which is to kind of create groups like in your data. And it's easy to do that. And if you know how to write stuff in SQL, you can really you can make that happen easier. But my mission here at Better at BI is to help everyone be better at BI. So today I want to take a couple of minutes to show you how you can use a tool like Power BI or Tableau, in this example, Tableau Public, how you can easily create some groups. May not be perfect, but how you can easily and quickly create groups to help you do better analytics. So with that, let's go to the screen. So first thing you're seeing here is my Power BI desktop. So you've heard me say this many, many times, I love Power BI because the price is just right, which is free, but it does come with some limitations. So let's right click on this disposition text field for just a second. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to select this field here, new group. All right. So now my options here are this. I can change this. I'm just going to leave this as it is for right now. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change it to dispo uh, grouping just because. All right. So now in Power BI, one of the limitations here at the easy level is the inability to filter. Now I can. It isn't a Microsoft product, so I can click on the top button there. Or I'm sorry, the top field, advise. I can scroll down and holding down the shift button, I can click on the last one and then select group. And then I'll name this advised. All right. Now I'm going to do the same thing with cancel. Um, Hold on. So I'm going to hold the shift button down. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom here, cancel. Now, again, because it is Microsoft BI or Microsoft product, I'm going to hold the control button and I'm going to get rid of cause suspicious fire. And I'm going to hit group. I'm going to call this cancel. And I'm going to do an include other group. And what that's going to do is that's going to basically lump everything else in this other group. So when I click OK, now I got a new field. So it changed changed the way that it looks, and there's my field name. So I'm going to click and drag that over here, and there you go. Now I could easily, because Power BI is really good at saying, oh, you know what? I'm going to interact with everything, so we don't have to do anything else. We can just click here, and you can see how it changes the disposition text on the other side. Looks pretty awesome, right? Let's go to Power BI Public for a second. There it is. So this is the same data set. It's using the same data set from the city of Cincinnati, so it's kind of public domain, if you will. I'm going to go to disposition text right here, and I'm going to right click. So far so good, similar thing. I'm going to do create, and here I'm going to select group. So this is similar to the Power BI version, right? Up here under field name, I can name this dispo group. All right. Now, you've got to give credit where credit's due. And the one cool thing that Power BI does here is this. I can actually do a search for advise, right? There it is. It found all the advise, and now I can group it that way. I can also do a search for cancel, all right? And it's going to find all the cancel everywhere, right? And then it'll group it for me to there. Let me rename it. Oh, hold on for a second. Rename to cancel. But take a look and see what it did for a second. It found advised cancel in the filter, and it moved it because I told it to move. It moved advised cancel to cancel. So you need to decide for yourself what what you want to do here. Do you want to include cancel under advise, or do you want to, you have to decide. I'm just trying to show you the easy way to do this. So let me go back to the screen for a second. So let's go ahead and just like in the other, just like in Power BI, let's go ahead and select include other and hit OK. Now, if I go to Dispo group here, and if I put that right there, you can kind of see what my groups are. I've got my advised group. Let me make that a filter for a second. So I have my advised group, show filter, right? Now I can see just the advised or just the canceled, right? So this is something that's easily done in both of these two products, and I'm sure other products do the same thing. So here's the catch. This was intended to give you an easy way to group it. Again, using the example in healthcare like aspirin, right? You can get all the aspirins together. There's a, there's another way to do this that requires a little more programming, a little more logic. And I can show you how to do that, and I will show you how to do that in another video. But keep in mind, the intent here was to do something quick and easy, because a lot of times you got to have something now. This is one way to do it now. I did create another video that shows you how to parse out this data in Power BI. So if you subscribe to my channel, hit like, subscribe, and you can go to my channel and you can find that video. It's in there. Again, my name is Christos. This is Better at BI. If you have any comments or questions, please put those down below. And again, I would love it if you would like and subscribe, and tell me if there's anything that you'd like to see. So again, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you all later.